XRP is still at a very pivotal point right now. We got to talk about this because here's the reality. Any retail buyers like us, we bought the dip. Then we bought the dip of the dip. Then we bought the dip of the dippity dip. I think we're all out of money to be buying dips. But guys, this sell-off is heavily institutional. Now, I do go over charts a lot. I also go over narrative a lot because I think that both are extremely important. And I think a lot of people make the mistake of being too much in the camp of technical analysis only reading the charts. And then some people are too heavy on just the narrative. Only the narrative matters. The reality is a lot of this price action is automated from institutions using algorithms to trade. Massive amounts of money. If you look at the total macroeconomical environment, everything that's happening right now in terms of legislation and policy around the financial system, the economy, you can't tell me that a lot of this is not deliberate. A lot of retail investors, including myself, have been under the impression that we still have a long ways to go in the bull market. And you cannot help but consider that every bull market has massive corrections in the midst of the bull market. Sometimes 30, 40%, 50% corrections before additional big movements to the upside. Because of everything coming down the pipeline, with all the XRP ETFs coming, with the Clarity Act still coming, with all these financial products rolling out, and institutions jumping on board with crypto and blockchain, it is hard to believe that we're going into a bear market. It's not to say that we won't see any more downside, but I'm still of the belief that we are going to go back up. We're going to regain all the ground that we've lost and see more upside to this bull run. But you have to be prepared for anything. Now, literally as we speak, XRP is flirting. It's just sitting there flirting, going up and down right on this level of support. It's a level that we have tried to cross below multiple times, but we keep getting closures, daily closures above this level. And we've held this level so far. I think today is going to tell us a lot once we decide whether or not we're going to close, because this is not just going to be a daily candle. If you zoom out, we're on Sunday. This is going to be a weekly candle close as well. And I think whether it closes above or below this line of support that we've been holding is going to tell us a lot of things. Also, Bitcoin, this 2-year trend that we've been on, we are currently flirting with that same line of support a little bit closer. You can see we've acted like we're going to go dump down below it, but it keeps correcting and getting back above this line of support. I think this is extremely strategic and deliberate. Everything inside of me tells me that they're trying to scare us. They don't want